The garden is coming along. It's quite a mess, but it's coming along. And today we're going to fill one of our new raised beds. Let's get started.
Oh, crank them out there, baby. Let's do this.
It's a beautiful day. Call the peeps to come out and play. Well, have a good time, living the life abundantly. I'm gonna sing this song. Call the people and sing along.
So, I can barely see anything. It's pretty bright out. It's a hot fall day, 80 degrees, zone 10. So those are gonna go into there. This guy right here. Oh, deck reveal. It's about 95% done. I need to add lattice from here to here. I know what you're thinking. Same thing I was thinking and everyone else. Is it level? Yes, it is. So I was gonna start with this guy, but I think I might start with this one. This is gonna go in some native soil I have here to help fill the cracks, and then go with that stuff. But I'm looking at it and I don't think I have enough. That's like the, okay. And this is all going to sink over time. I'm gonna finish this and pause so I don't have a million footage to edit here. Looks like I need some more here. And go get some more and fill it tonight. And plant in the morning. Check, check. Oh man, it's running low on battery. Well, that sucks. I'm trying to have to make this quick. So I finally got to a point where I could plant, and now my mic is running out of battery. So I have to make this quick and easy. And I mean, that's just the way it is when you're filming and editing, and in this case, growing and building and planting and even cooking, because that's what I do. I film myself cooking full time. So yeah. Let's get started planting some additional lettuce, and then I have some broccoli that I want to plant and see how that does. And I think I'm gonna have some extra space here, but we'll see. And I have some sage that I want to put over there in the herb garden. All right, let's get cracking. I left my camera recording for a good extra 5 minutes. That's definitely going to suck in post-production, but it is what it is. So, a lot going on. Here is my very first, correction, our very first raised bed is filled with broccoli and lettuce and some mulch. And then for this one, I'll be better prepared with enough bags of soil, fill it up enough with the wood, and then probably have some garden straw on the top of that one. But looking forward to seeing this produce much more food over the course of its life. So it was a pain to fill it up, and here it is. So okay, my mic battery is going to die. Just didn't plug it in, I guess. Didn't bring out a second mic. So thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for the greenhouse reveal, the second raised bed, and some more herbs and perennials. Gonna put some potatoes in that. I'll just do an update, and then yeah, as the homestead grows, hopefully does the channel and our knowledge. This guy right here, this is gonna take a long time to break down, and it will do wonders in there.
Do this.
It's a beautiful day. Call the peeps to come out and play. Well, have a good time living the life of abundance.